Introducing the 2025 Suzuki Sx4 S-Cross 1.4 Boosterjet Mild HY in sleek black. With a powerful 1.4-litre petrol engine, manual transmission and hatchback body style, this vehicle is perfect for any journey. Safety is a top priority with features like auto lights, child locks, curtain airbags, and more. Registered new in 2025. This car is equipped with the latest technology, including hands-free kit, parking assistance, and centralized locking. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Contact us today or visit our website windsor.ie for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.